Some things shouldn't need a remote, right? That's exactly what I had in mind when the Liquid project got started. I'm Alexis, a French engineer living in Copenhagen, and like so many lifelong skateboarders, I love the idea of taking the freedom and simplicity of cruising on a skateboard and electrifying it. But today's electric skateboard require a remote control, which is easy to lose, to forget, and needs to be charged, killing the simplicity of skateboarding. With that small inconvenience, you lose the very essence of cruising, which is pushing. With Liquid, we've created a remoteless and intuitive electric skateboard that keeps the spirit of traditional skateboarding alive. Introducing our cruise control concept. It's simple. Like a normal skateboard, just kick to accelerate. The motor then takes care of maintaining the speed. No need for an on-off button. Just push to your desired speed, then place your foot onto the sensor to keep going. When it's time to slow down, remove your foot from the sensor and it reverts back to a normal skateboard. You can then brake like you would do with any regular board. If you have never stepped on a board before, this quickly becomes one of the most enjoyable ways to learn speed and balance. If you love to cruise and easily switch to other transport methods, this board might become your best travel companion. Our main priority has always been the user experience and not the rush to use less technology. We believe that we've designed a board that fits any lifestyle, adding spontaneity to the way you move around, explore, and connect with your world. As an engineer and skateboarder, I've put my passion into Liquid. I've been evolving designs for the last few years and made prototypes that received amazing feedbacks from friends, which inspired me to make it real. That's where we need your support, as we need funds to launch our first production. Help us bring Liquid Skateboard to life by funding our Kickstarter campaign. Thank you so much for your support.